Hello, my name is Andrew and I'm here from Home to Garden Plumbing. Today I'm going to take you through how to unblock a sink. For this job you're going to need a plunger similar to this. You can get this kind of plunger from your local hardware store for around $20. So follow me and I'll take you through how to do this job and save you time and money. Okay, let's start with the bathroom sink and then later I'll show you how to unblock the kitchen sink. So there are signs of a blocked drain, and in this case you'll see that the water is draining really slowly. There are other signs as well. What can happen is you get a glugging sound that will happen as the water is draining out of the sink, and sometimes you get a glugging sound when it's finished draining. Now these are signs of a partial blockage, but still just as important. What you need to do is get on top of that just as quickly. This particular basin has an overflow. Not every basin will have one, but because it has got an overflow, we will have to block it off when plunging the sink. Otherwise the air from the plunger won't create enough suction to clear the blockage. To block off the overflow, we can use something quite simple like a paper tissue. So we put it into a ball and we push it into the overflow, making sure we leave a little bit behind so we can pull it out later. Then we start to fill the sink. We'll fill the sink up about halfway. Once it's halfway full, we're going to use that water to force through the plug to unblock the drain. Once it's full, we move the plunger into position and hold the bottom of the plunger with your one hand and plunge it with the other. Do that about 3 or 4 times. Once we've done that, the water should drop away quite quickly. Once that's done, we can run the water into the sink, check that the water is getting away freely. If for any reason the water is not getting away freely, you can repeat the process of filling the sink and plunging it several times until you find that when you turn the tap on, the water gets away. Then you pull out the plug from the overflow and that's your sink unblocked. If for any reason the blockage isn't cleared after doing the plunging, you can remove the top of the plug. This one just lifts off, others have to unscrew. There may be a partial blockage due to hair that's built up around the underside of the plug. You can remove this with a pair of tweezers or a small pair of scissors. Most of the soap and smaller hair will be removed with the plunging, but longer hair gets stuck. Now this process is also the same if you had a blocked bath or a blocked shower. Now I'm going to show you how to unblock the kitchen sink. Now some kitchen sinks have a double bowl configuration. If this is the case, then make sure you push the plug down in the other bowl so that when you're plunging, the air doesn't blow up into the other sink. If your sink is completely blocked, then the water won't be going down at all. If that's the case, then I would like you to fill the sink up about 1/3 of the way and then follow the procedure I'm going to show you with the plunger in a minute. If it is only partially blocked, which it is in this case, then what I need you to do is take the plunger, remove the plug from the sink, place the plunger over the sink to make a seal, ensure that the other plug is down, and then fill the sink about 1/3 of the way. So the plunger is acting like a plug at this point to create a volume of water which you're going to use to push through the trap. Once you have enough water in the sink, you turn off the tap, ensure the other plug is held down whilst you push the plunger down 2 or 3 times. Then you lift it slightly to the side to let some of the water drain into the plug, and then you'll do it 2 or 3 more times again, and you repeat this over and again until all the water's gone. And then you remove the plunger and you find that the water should run away freely. Now we turn on the tap to make sure the water is running away freely. And if for any reason it doesn't run away freely, then you repeat the process we did before until it does. Now you only need to do this process in one of the sinks, you don't have to do both. You can choose which one you'd like to, but both the pipes are connected to the same trap, which is where the blockage would normally occur. Now this is how you unblock your bathroom sink, kitchen sink, or bath or shower. If for any reason this process doesn't clear the blockage, it may be that there is a blockage in the pipe or in the trap itself. Now don't try and undo this yourself, it's very easy to undo, Putting it back together could cause a leak, so please call a professional. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you found it very helpful. If you did enjoy it, please share it with your friends and family and press the like button below. And if you have any ideas for some handy tips, put them in the comments below and I'll be sure to review them. Don't forget, if you have any issues, make sure you call a professional. You've been watching Andrew from Home to Garden. I look forward to seeing you soon.